scholars. Today I am back with a wonderful craft activity for you all. So the craft that we are going to make today is this. Can you all guess what craft is this? Yes, it is a cute little house. So today we are going to make this beautiful house craft, but before going to start making this house craft, we are going to discuss few things or learn few things about house. So tell me, where do we all live? Where do we all live? We live in a house, right? Where do we live? We live in a house. So the best place in this whole world is my house, your house, the house in which we live. House is a place where the whole family lives together, right? Your mama, papa, brother, sister, grandparents, everyone stays at house. So children, house is a very important place, and house, we need house because it protects us. It keeps us safe from the sun, rain, and it also keeps us warm from the cold winter, right? It also protects us from the animals. So if we are not having a house to stay, any animal can come and bite us, right? So a house is a very important place. So can you all see? Today we are going to make this beautiful cute house. Children, do you know a house is made up of walls? So these are the walls. This is the roof of the house. And what does a house have? House also has windows. Can you see? These are the windows that I have made, and this is the door. So this is the door from where we can go out, and similarly we can enter the house also. So children, let's make this house craft. It is super easy and simple. I'm sure you are going to enjoy making this craft. So let's start. So children, first let's see the materials that we require for making this craft. So here we require 3 sheets. Okay, we need 3 sheets. 2 of the similar color, 2 should be of the same color for making this house portion, and 1 should be of different color for making the roof. So as you can see in the sample, I have taken orange and green color, orange for the house and green for the roof. So now I am going to make the sheets that I have taken now are red and yellow. So with the red color sheet I am going to make the house below, and with the yellow sheet I am going to make the roof. So we require 3 sheets, 2 of the same color and 1 of different color. Other than these, we will be requiring a Fevicol, Fevistick, anything of your choice, then a scissor, a stapler, and any color sketch pen for making the windows. So let's start making the craft. So children, first you have to take a sheet and then you have to fold it from the center, as you can see in the video. Fold it from the center like this. Done. Now open the sheet and fold from the top like this. And from both the sides. Hold it nicely and hold it like this. Now from the other side as well you have to do the same thing. So hold it from both the sides and fold it. This much is done. Now fold it from the center like this. Okay, now you have to fold it from here like this, and from the other side also. So after doing this much you are going to get this shape. So now the same thing we are going to do with the other sheet also. So I am keeping this aside. Similarly, same thing we have to do. So hold it from the center like this. Done. Now open it and fold from the top, holding both the sheets together other side also. Fold it from both the sides. Now you have to fold it from the center like this. Now from this side as well as from the other side. So now we have got both the portions. But before we are going to join these two portions for making the house, but before joining, what we are going to do? We are going to make the door portion. See, this entrance. So this we are going to do how? We are going to cut with the help of the scissors. So here at the center I am going to make a cut. That I am going to show you. See, I am going to cut from the center like this. And then from both the sides. Similarly, I have cut it from here. Now from the other side as well. So okay, now I'm going to fold this to the opposite direction so that it will look like a door. See, now I'm going to join these two portions together. So how we are going to join? Just need to keep this here and here, and now I'm going to staple it. So with the help of a stapler, I'm going to staple it. One side is done. Similarly on the other side also I'm going to staple it. So now this portion is done. Now we are going to make the roof. For making the roof, I've taken this yellow sheet, fold it from the center, as you can see, fold it from the center. Now I'm going to cut this portion from the center with the help of a scissor. So children, it is my humble request to you that when you are using scissor, take your mama or papa's help for cutting the sheet. Okay, so now one sheet I'm going to keep aside. Now this sheet I'm going to fold it from the center, and the roof is done because I'm going to keep this and see, it's done. So now with the help of a Fevicol, I'm going to put Fevicol here. Put few drops of Fevicol and then just need to put it like this. As you can see, like this. Now the extra part we are going to cut it. That is at the back. This extra part I am going to cut with the help of a scissor. This you can cut from the beginning also. So before joining the sheet also, you can cut this. Now we are going to make the windows with this sheet. So fold it like this. Again make a fold. As you can see, again you have to make a fold. And the final fold till this. Okay. So now once you open, you have got the markings, as you can see. So only one portion you have to cut. See, and then this also you have to make a fold like this and cut it from the center. Now with the help of the sketch pen, I am going to make the window. So just you have to draw the lines that I am going to show you. See how I have done. Similarly, for the other window also, I am going to make the lines. In all the directions, I am going to draw the lines, straight lines, and a one plus sign at the center. So both the windows are ready. Now I am going to use Fevikwik. Okay. Apply Fevikwik on both the windows. Now I am going to stick here. As you can see, a beautiful, cute little house is ready. This is our sample house, and this is the house that we have made it now. So children, I hope you enjoyed this making craft activity. So try this craft at your house and send me your photographs that you are making on school's number. Okay, I hope you all will enjoy making this craft, and finally take good care of yourself and always keep smiling. Take care of yourself, children. Bye bye.